There's a free AI assistant that just became the most starred project in the history of GitHub, beating even React. It runs on your own computer for free. But there's a catch you really need to hear first. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. It's called OpenClaw, a personal AI agent you fully own. Today, what it actually does for you, why developers went wild for it, and the security trap you must avoid. Let's break it down. Most AI lives in someone else's cloud. OpenClaw is the opposite. It's open source and self-hosted, which means it runs on your machine and your data stays with you. And it's an agent, not just a chatbot. You give it a goal, and it can work across your apps and files to actually get the task done, not just talk about it. Because it's free and you host it yourself, there's no subscription and no monthly bill. For the right person, that's real money saved. It became the fastest growing project of its kind, passing 250,000 stars in just weeks, overtaking projects that took years to get there. The appeal is simple. People want the power of an AI agent without handing their data or their wallet to a big company every single month. Now the catch, and it's a serious one. OpenClaw lets you add skills, little add-ons that extend what it can do. But one analysis found that around 1 in 6 of those third-party skills contain malicious code, hidden inside a helpful-looking add-on. And remember, this thing has access to your computer. A bad skill isn't a minor bug. It's a stranger you invited in. So if you try it, treat every add-on like software from a stranger. Only install skills from the official, verified source. Check what permissions a skill asks for. If a simple tool wants access to everything, that's a red flag. And when in doubt, run it in a limited account or a sandbox so a bad skill can't touch what really matters. This is the trade-off of owning your AI. You get freedom and privacy, but you also become your own security guard. Quick win. Before installing anything, search the skill's name plus the word scam or review. 30 seconds of checking beats a week of cleanup. Powerful, free, and genuinely risky if you're careless. If this kept you a step ahead, follow AI Edge Lab. We give you the catch, not just the hype, every week. See you in the next one.